Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how you can manage your labels in Gmail easily. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so once you have logged in to your Google account and then went to mail.google.com to access your Gmail, you'll need to click this button right here, which is more, and then click manage labels at the left part of your screen. Okay, so as you can see, you are directed to settings, which is on the labels. You can also access this using this icon right here, which is the settings, and then just click see all settings and then go to labels. So as you can see, you are given the option to manage your labels and show them, hide them in the label list, or show if in red, or you can also access here your customized labels and remove and edit them. So for example, in the system labels, you want your starred messages or starred inbox to be hidden. Just click on hide, and as you can see, it is not shown in the upper part of your labels. So if you click this less and hide it, the starred emails will not be shown here, or starred folders will not be shown here. But if you click show, it will be shown in the label list. So you can also show trash, like for example here. You can hide the sent emails or hide the scheduled emails, as you can see. And for the categories, you can either hide the categories part, show social here, and then hide forums or show it promotions. You can also decide if you want to show it in the message list. So here you can also create new labels and such. So this is where you can customize and manage your labels. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!